So this is a video of some pest control I did over the weekend. I'm using the Digisight N355 on top of the FX Impact in 22 caliber. I'm using the H&N Terminator pellets. I found they work really well at about 860 feet per second. They hit hard enough to knock the bird over without actually causing any over penetration issues. So unfortunately the Digisight isn't recording any sound, so you can't hear the sounds of the shot. And I'm actually shooting offhand here, so it's a little bit wobbly. I think at this shot I was just resting my hand against a wall. So these are some hot water towers, and the customer says the birds are causing quite a health risk, just covering it in droppings. So I've paused the Digisight. We've moved around to a few different sites, so I'll just record all the video and see how it goes. Now these fellas are a little bit closer. These are only about 15-20 metres away. The tank shots were ranged between 62 and 78 metres. So all these birds were picked up. So you see a couple of them, they fly away a little bit, but most of them only made it sort of another 20 or 30 metres away from the base of the tank. As you can see, there's just hundreds and hundreds of pigeons. I think in the space of 2 hours we removed 127. At night time, I'm only running the Digisight there on 3.5 power. It just helps with the focus a little bit. I've had a little trouble trying to get a clear focus at times, and also scanning for the birds. It just helps being on the lower power. So we were walking around the site, and every time we'd come back to these tanks, the birds would be back on top of the tank. Obviously, being the middle of winter and -3 degrees, they're enjoying the heat from the hot water running through the system there. So we basically just walk one side of the tank, walk around the site to the other side of the tank, and they'd all be shuffled off over there. So anyway, that's it guys. Had a lot of fun doing it, and yeah, hope you liked the video.